Namaste everyone. Today we are going to revise exponents and radicals. And our first question is how to write in exponential form. Means the question is given in the form of radicals and you have to write in the form of exponents. तो सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे? You have to write the whatever is there inside the radical as it is. That is 111 raised to power 3. Now see which number is there inside the angle, because we know that square root means the number raised to power 1 upon 2. Then if there is cube root, then it means the number raised to power 1 upon 3. If we have fourth root, it means the number raised to power 1 upon 4. If we have fifth root, then it means the number raised to power 1 upon 5. Now it is 13th root. What will be there? It means the number as it is and the power will be 1 upon 13. Simplify करेंगे. Power raised to power we have. If we have power raised to power, the powers will be multiplied, because we have the formula a raised to power m whole raised to power n will be equals to a raised to power m multiplied by n. So this will be equals to 111 raised to power 3 multiplied by 1 upon 13. Simplify it now. The answer will be equals to 3 ones are 3 as it is, because there nothing is in the denominator of 3. So you can put 1. Now multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So the answer will be 111 raised to power 3 upon 13. Now its opposite we have exponential form is given and we have to write in the form of radicals. So we have to concentrate on the denominator only. Means whatever we have in the denominator, that we need to write in the angle of the root. That is, here we have 4. So we'll write 4 inside the angle, and the 3 will be with the number itself, and the answer will be 8 upon 9 raised to power 3. So it is fourth root of, because we know that fourth root means raised to power 1 upon 4. So it will be fourth root of 8 upon 9 raised to power 3. Let us see the third question. It is write with positive exponents. Now how we can make the power positive? So for that we have to take the reciprocal of base. Our question is 7x raised to power minus 3 upon 4. What will be the answer? For that, first of all, what is the base? The base is x only. It is not the power of 7. So 7 will be as it is, multiply by, take reciprocal of base, it will be 1 upon x. Okay, then the power will become positive. It will be 3 upon 4 now. You can simplify it, because 1 raised to power any number will be 1 itself. So it can be written as 7 into 1 upon x raised to power 3 upon 4. This will be equals to 7 ones are 7 upon x raised to power 3 upon 4. Next type of question is simplify. The question is x raised to power minus 7 upon 2 multiply by 2x raised to power minus 1 upon 2. So first of all, what you will do, that multiply number with the number and variable with the variable. Now see, here we have the number is nothing. It means it is 1 into x raised to power minus 7 upon 2. And here it is 2 multiplied by x raised to power minus 1 upon 2. So 2 ones are will be 2 multiplied by, see, x raised to power minus 7 upon 2 and x raised to power minus 1 upon 2. So you have the formula, that is a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n equals to a raised to power m plus n. Means if the bases are same, and in the case of multiplication the powers will be plus. So what you will do? Write base as it is and add the powers. The powers will be minus 7 upon 2 plus minus 1 upon 2. Okay, this will be equals to 2 multiplied by the base is as it is. Here the LCM is 2 and the powers will be minus 7 plus minus 1. Simplify it. This will be equals to 2 multiplied by x raised to power minus 7 minus 1 will be minus 8 upon 2. Both are negative, then will be plus. So 2 4s are 8 minus 4, and the answer will be equals to 2 multiplied by x raised to power minus 4. But still the power is negative. You can make it positive by taking the reciprocal of base, and the base is x only. So the reciprocal of x will be 1 upon x raised to power 4. Now 1 raised to power 4 is 1 itself. Therefore, this can be written as 2 multiplied by 1 upon x raised to power 4. Now 2 ones are 2. This will be equals to 2 upon x raised to power 4. This is your required answer. Let us see the next one. Again we have to simplify, and the question is 216 raised to power 2 upon 3 and whole raised to power 1 upon 2. So you know that if power raised to power is there, the powers will be multiplied, because the formula is if a raised to power m whole raised to power n is there, it means a raised to power m multiplied by n. Let us use this first of all. This will be 216 raised to power 2 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2. Okay, simplify it. This will be 216 raised to power 1 upon 3. So the power is in the form of p upon q, where q is not equal to 0. So let us factorize 216 also. Let us see what will come. Factorize in rough work. 216 by 2, 1s are 2, then 0, and then 2 8s are 16. Then by 2 again, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, by 2 again, 2 2s are 4, and 2 7s are 14. Now it cannot be divided by 2, so let us try with 3. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So 216 can be written as 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 3. So replace it. 216 is 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 3, and can be written as the whole power was 1 upon 3. So the power can be taken common, because the formula is a raised to power m multiplied by b raised to power m equals to a multiplied by b, and power you can take common, can be written as raised to power m, because the power is same. So this can be written as 2 into 3 raised to power 3 and whole raised to power 1 upon 3. Now simplify it. 2 3s are 6, and power raised to power we have again. The power will be multiply. It means 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3. So 3 1s are 3. The answer will be 6 raised to power 1, can be written as 6 itself. Let us see the third question, that is 0.03125 and whole raised to power minus 2 upon 5. So first of all, to simplify this, we have to remove the decimal. तो डेसिमल रिमूव करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट 3125 एज इट इज. अब डिनोमिनेटर में फॉर डेसिमल वी हैव टू पुट 1 and we have 5 digits after decimal, so we have to add 5 zeros here, and whole raised to power minus 2 upon 5. Now let us divide it. We will start by 5. I'm writing in the rough work. So see, here I'm writing by 5. 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10, and 5 5s are 25. Same here, 5 2s are 10 and 4 zeros we have. Okay, by 5 again, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. By 5 again, 5 4s are 20, we have 4000. Okay, by 5 again, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. By 5 again, 5 8s are 40 and 2 zeros as it is. By 5 again, 5 5s are 25. Then by 5 again, 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30 and 0 as it is. By 5 again, 5 1s are 5. By 5 again, 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. So what is left? In numerator we have 1 and in denominator we have 32. So your answer will be 1 upon 32 raised to power minus 2 upon 5. Remember, I am using the shortest method. So this, now to make this power positive, what you have to do? You have to take reciprocal of the base. So reciprocal will be 32 upon 1. That can be written as 32. And the power will be positive, now it will be 2 upon 5. Factorize 32 like this, you will be getting 2 raised to power 5 और पूरे की power 2 upon 5 as it is. Now power raised to power we have, so powers will be multiplied. So 2 raised to power 5 multiplied by 2 upon 5. 5 1s are 5, 2 raised to power 2 we have. This will be equals to 2 raised to power 2, which is equals to 2 2s are 4 is the required answer. Okay, the next question is evaluate 1 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 3 plus 3 raised to power 3 and whole raised to power minus 5 upon 2. तो सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है? सबसे पहले simplify inside the brackets. Okay, then 1 raised to power 3, it means 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1, which will be equals to 1 only. Then same 2 raised to power 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. In same way 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27 whole raised to power minus 5 upon 2. Okay, then add them. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 27 will be 36. 36 raised to power minus 5 upon 2. Okay, now see, its denominator is 2 and 36 can be written as 6 raised to power 2. Okay, whole raised to power we have minus 5 upon 2. Now again power raised to power we have, powers will be multiply. So 6 raised to power 2 multiplied by minus 5 upon 2. 2 1s are 2. This will be equals to 6 raised to power minus 5. But remember, the power is negative. So we have to take the reciprocal of base. So the reciprocal of 6 means 6 upon 1 will be equals to 1 upon 6. And the power will become positive now, it will be as it is. So you can write it as it is even and you can simplify it. Multiply 1 upon 6 5 times, you will be getting your answer. Or write it as it is, that is also correct. Now let us see the next question, it is also simplify. The question is 1 upon x whole raised to power minus 12. Then its fourth root we have and then raised to power minus 2 upon 3. So first of all we have to simplify its radicals form, means we have to convert it into exponential form. How we can convert? We know that it is fourth root and it means raised to power 1 upon 4. So square brackets as it is and then we have base is 1 upon x, its power will be minus 12 whole raised to power. Here the fourth root we have can be written as 1 upon 4, but we have one more power here, that is minus 2 upon 3 as it is. Now simplify it. What will come? Power raised to power, and again power raised to power, means all powers will be multiplied. So it will be 1 upon x as it is, raised to power minus 12, multiplied by 1 upon 4, multiplied by minus 2 upon 3. You will be getting now 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, minus 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So this will be minus 1 multiplied by minus 2, which is equals to 2 ones are 2, and negative will become positive. So this will be equals to 1 upon x raised to power 2. Or you can simplify it. This will be 1 raised to power 2 means 1, and x raised to power 2 means x square. So this is your required answer. Okay. Let us see the last one. Now this is an exponential equation. And when you are solving an exponential equation means the variable will be in the power. So to simplify this exponential equation, first of all you have to equate the bases. So here the base is 2, here the base is 4. Can we write 4 in the power of 2? Yes. How? Factorize 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. This can be written as 2 raised to power 2. So left side as it is, 2 raised to power 2x plus 2, and this 4 will be written as 2 raised to power 2. So 2 raised to power 2 and whole raised to power we have 2x minus 1. Okay. Now simplify it more. Power raised to power we have, powers will be multiply. So this implies that 2 raised to power 2x plus 2 will be as it is. But in right side the powers will be multiply. So this will become 2 raised to power 2 whole multiplied by 2x minus 1. Remember, this is whole multiply by, means you have to multiply both of the terms inside the bracket. So this will be equals to 2 raised to power 2x plus 2 equals to 2 2s are 4x. So it means 2 raised to power 4x minus 2 1s are 2. Okay. Now you can see the bases of left hand side as well as right hand side are same. When the bases are same, now it is the time to equate the powers. Means अब आपको bases को नहीं लिखना है. What you have to do? You have to write powers only. Okay? So let us write them. Now what will be there in the answer? When you are equating powers means you have to write only powers. So the powers in left hand side are 2x plus 2, and in right hand side we have 4x minus 2. What you have to do? This is simple linear equation. Simplify it. Bring 4x to the left and take 2 to the right. What will happen? 2x as it is. Bring 4. So minus 4x. Then will be equals to minus 2. Take 2 to the right side. Minus 2. 2x minus 4x will be minus 2x. And minus 2 will be minus 4. So the value of x will be minus 4 upon minus 2. Take this 2 to the right side. We'll go and divide. So negative cancelled. And 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Answer will be 2. So the value of x will be 2. This is your required answer. Now one more little different problem we have. 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x will be equals to 192. Now what you can do in this question? Let me tell you. These we have same numbers. Means apple plus apple plus apple equals to 3 apple. So it means 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x means 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power x. Means 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power x will be equals to 192 as it is. Now we cannot multiply them. The power of 2 is x. We don't know what is the power of 2. It means this part is unknown. So simply take this 3 to the right side. What will happen? 2 raised to power x will be 192 upon 3. What will happen? 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, 3 4s are 12. 2 raised to power x will be equals to 64. But it is an exponential equation. The bases must be same. How we can write 64 in the power of 2? So factorize it. We will be getting 2 raised to power x equals to 2 raised to power 6. Now the bases are same. So equate powers. What we will be getting after equating powers? अब बेसिस को नहीं लिखना है, सिर्फ पावर्स को लिखना है. So powers will be x equals to 6. This is your required answer. Thank you.